The Business Review this week takes a look at progress at Red Stripe in 2007 and plans for 2018. That's 2017 and plans for 2018. Dashan Hendricks has a report.
2017 was a fundamental year for Red Stripe. Infrastructure a big focus, a new line put in for exports, and a liquefied natural gas plant built to supply energy. Chairman of Red Stripe, Richard Balz, proud of the spending on those big projects.
2017 was a wonderful year for us, kind of foundation building, making sure that the infrastructure is right, so that in 2018 we can really leverage that new capacity and achieve greater things for the company.
To reap the benefits, though, more infrastructure spending needed in 2018. Mr. Balz says the big ticket item this year is a warehouse. It is to be dedicated to holding products from and for the new Line 8, built to produce exclusively for exports.
Because we have to get the logistics right. That's really key. You can have a great factory, but let's say that you can't store enough bottles, you run out of bottles, or you can't store enough finished goods to keep the supply chain to the U.S. market fully stocked. So the logistics is really important, and to get that right, we need to put up that big warehouse.
The company broke into new markets in 2017, Brazil, Dubai and Australia. Those are expected to be developed in 2018. Mr. Balz, however, says the U.S. market is still the focus for the Red Stripe company.
We have a lot of capacity to fill in the U.S. market. And so we are very concentrated on making that actually come to fruition. The U.S. market is gigantic, and it's for us to really work that market properly to get the best results out of it. So whilst we are opening up new possibilities, we are still very focused on getting the maximum out of the U.S. market.
He said that thinking means the new warehouse is critical. Getting into the U.S. market is one thing, maintaining a consistent presence another. That market consumes 2 million cases of Red Stripe each year, so being out of stock at any one time could be devastating for the company. Recovering may be hard. Red Stripe's growth there as well, good for Jamaican farmers, especially those growing cassava to replace imported raw materials in beer. Getting consistency in the growth of cassava also crucial for plans to use it more in the beer.
So we are doing about 10% substitution, and as the supply of cassava grows, we aim to take it up to 20%, and if we can take it beyond that, we will. We have produced beer and tested it quality up to 40% substitution by cassava, and it tastes wonderful. You can't tell the difference between the two products.
So a strong 2017 for Red Stripe, the company recognized as a manufacturer of the year. 2018, the chairman says, export growth could see it cupping the main prize in that category. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.